Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable family sharing for games in Steam. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Steam in the top left corner of the screen, navigate to the settings, enter family, then scroll down and here make sure that you have authorized library sharing on this device. Enable it, then there's eligible accounts. If you don't have any, you can add them by basically exchanging your login information. So you need to log in onto someone else's account on your PC, then enable this feature right here on their account, and they need to do the same to actually see each other in eligible accounts. Then you'll be able to also activate or deactivate those accounts to share the games with. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.